Hello everybody, Eric back here, and this is a video I didn't think I was going to be able to make this year. This is the Izbat An Naj Fig, and I think this was originally from Egypt. And I've read a lot about this fig, and it's supposed to ripen later in the year in the cool weather, and it has. Today is warm. Yesterday was warm. I think we're mid-70s. But up until then, it's been really cold, cooler than normal. And this thing has ripened figs really late. So we're just a few days from November. And these are beautiful figs. Now this fig is supposed to taste like bananas. I've heard banana, pineapple type flavor. But this thing, let's see here. They've got honey dripping out of the eye. They all do. The ones that are ripe, I think there's 3 here. That one's got honey there. Let's see, here's one over here. This one's got some nice sugar spots, and these ladybugs, I think they're the Asian ladybugs, they've been on these all day. And I've seen wasps up here trying to get this fig nectar, this fig honey out. Let me back up a little bit. That may have been blurry. I don't know if you see the sugar spots, and here's another one. I think this may be the ripest one. Yeah, it's got some good picture there. Got some sugar spots. And those all 3 ripened up pretty close together. And they feel really ripe. I thought in the cool weather that they would not ripen right, but it seems like they did. You can see the size there. I'll hold a quarter up. See the pretty good size. A little bit of an open eye there, but you know, that fig honey more than blocks it up. So these things are ready to try out. And I'll tell you what, I can't grow bananas here, but a fig that tastes kind of like bananas, I think this is going to be a good one, if it actually does. We'll see here. I'll get this one first. It feels the ripest. There we go. Here. All right. Oh. Well, it's like a typical honey fig inside, and I love honey figs. You know, as much or more than the berry figs. Nice looking inside there. Okay. Let's try this out. Been waiting, got this fig kind of late in the year. I think it was in May, and started putting out figs mid-July. Here we are, almost November. So waited a long time to try this. Wow, really sweet. But man, you know, I don't know if the idea of banana flavor is influencing what I'm tasting here, but it does have that kind of ripe banana flavor, but it's in the skin. The flavor of that banana is. The inside, you know, tastes like a really good sweet honey fig, but the skin does have that banana type flavor. Let me get It does. Like I'm not getting the pineapple at all, but I am getting the banana flavor. Man, that's really good. And these things ripen in the cold too, so I don't know what it's going to be like when they get a good long summer to grow and put out figs at the right time and then ripen in the heat. But wow, Really impressed. It does have a lot of banana flavor in there. And the sweetness is there too. Sweeter than a banana, actually. I actually need something to drink that's so sweet. Some milk or something. Kind of like eating a dessert, a cake or pie or something. Okay, like banana pudding. That's what like banana pudding, okay? All right, well, thank you very much for watching. Izbat An Naj. I'm impressed.